Okay, so it's time. So, here we go. Here's my desk. Here. And then we got my record player. Oh, and then we got these. Yeah. And then we got this fella. He is hard to get in car mode. It's really hard. Yeah, it's not good. Yeah, there's not, I don't really know. Oh, but yeah, here's this. We got my controller holder. Yeah, and then we got my record. Yeah. And that's just a soap collection. Yeah. Yeah. And then over here, you got my Jurassic World and Park collection. My trophies. And then you got my Funko Pops, and then that big fella. This is my closet. It's a mess. And this is my bed. We got this. It's a pretty good movie. Okay, now it's time for the final part. Yep. Oh, right, I forgot to. This is just stuff. Oh. We got my wooden bat, metal bat, this bat, my guitar, and then posters. Oh yeah, and then we got this.